How does Amazon differentiate a fake review? Well, what they look for is naturalness in the way that you get your reviews. So one of the things that we do for folks in our Diamond group is that we give them access to a review group who will get reviews for their products in a very natural way. So some of the things that we do to make sure it all looks very, very natural is, imagine this. You just launch a product on Amazon, and in the first 2 weeks, you make 10 sales, for say, let's just say it's 10 sales, and every single one of those sales leaves you a glowing 5-star review. Not only that, but they're quite long reviews going into detail about what the product is like, the pros and cons of the product, things like that, and they include images of the product. Now, is that natural? Well, clearly that's not normal. That's not how it works. That's not what normally happens on Amazon. What normally happens on Amazon, Amazon's own ratios is on average, depending on the category, between 2 and 10% of people that purchase the product will leave a review. That's Amazon's averages. So if it's outside of that, you need to work hard to make it look very, very natural. So that's things like have your customers not from one area. So not all your reviewers don't come from the same area or the same state. So all of your reviewers came from, I don't know, like Manly, for instance. That looks weird. That's not normal. All of your reviewers are all females aged over 40, like it's your circle of female friends, for instance, tomorrow. I don't know, but you get the idea. That's not normal. So you need a good blend of males and females, a good blend of ages. You need to make sure they're scattered around the country, things like that. It's that sort of stuff. That's the attention to detail that you must have if you're going to game the Amazon system, because that's what we're doing, of course. If you're going to game the Amazon system, that's the attention to detail you've got to go through, because you don't want it to look unnatural. Amazon will just delete your reviews, and they may even close your account for engaging in review manipulation, and you don't want that. So take the time to do it right tomorrow, and make sure, like I always say, it's good to get a few 4-star reviews. You don't want everybody to leave you a 5-star review. That looks weird. It's good to have some reviews where it's literally a 1-word review. Something like as described or something like that. It's good to have some of those reviews because you want a mix of different reviews. That's how you do it. Make it look random. Make it look natural. Diversity of your reviewers, diversity of demographics, diversity of locations, geolocations, all of that is important. If you're going to play the gaming game, that's important to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.